Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to get free tech support from Microsoft. Now, just follow me here. Type in Microsoft. Now, the first one's going to come back with a number here. Do not click on this number. This is a scam. It's going to try to weasel some money out of you and not really help you at all. What we want is something here that says Microsoft, support at Microsoft.com. So click on this. I'll show you how to get free tech support from Microsoft. So you have to sign in. If you don't have an account, create an account. I already have an account right here. Recording software right here. And now we're selecting Windows, Home Support. Let's put in here net frame air. That's going to come up with a bunch of self-help articles, but we want to talk to tech support. We contact support, Windows, tech support, confirm. And this is going to open a chat, and with this chat, they can remote connect your computer and fix your problem for free. Right here. Confirm. Of course, it's being opened. To start the chat, all you have to do is open it now. If you open up a chat with Microsoft, there's going to be a lineup of people waiting for the support. I'll show you how many are waiting here. I already hacked them. I already logged them before. Okay, people ahead of me are 25. Average wait time 17 minutes. This goes by pretty quick. And type in your message down here. Thanks, but all is fine. Here's your reply over here. And that's how you get free tech support from Microsoft. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.